The initial intention is always innocent, a desperate grasp for control in a chaotic world. You open a new checking account for groceries, a savings account for vacations, another for emergency funds, and an investment account for the distant future. It feels like taking charge, building a fortress of organization around your hard earned money. But beneath this surface of careful planning, a silent, invisible drain begins to open. The very architecture you constructed to protect your wealth is slowly, methodically bleeding it dry. This creeping threat thrives in the shadows of complexity. You miss a subtle notification about a policy change, or forget a password to a secondary portal you haven't checked in months. Suddenly, a phantom overdraft fee strikes your main checking account while 300 miles away in a different digital vault, $2,000 sites idle, earning nothing. Your money is isolated, trapped in separate silos, unable to rescue itself when a crisis hits. For years, financial gurus whispered a compelling lie into the ears of the anxious public. They promised that hyper specific budgeting, dividing every dollar into its own specialized bucket, was the ultimate key to wealth. But this relentless division does not build security, it builds an unmanageable labyrinth. The promise of total control was a mirage, masking a reality where your attention is fractured and your actual financial power is diluted across a dozen different login screens. Investigators of personal wealth have a name for this specific breed of financial self sabotage. They call it financial account sprawl. It is the unchecked proliferation of banking apps, credit cards, and investment platforms tied to a single identity. What begins as a strategy for hyperorganization mutates into a digital graveyard. Forgotten balances gather dust, promotional interest rates expire unnoticed, and the original purpose of each account is lost to time. In theory, the segmented approach possessed a flawless clinical logic. By isolating funds for specific purposes, you would never accidentally spend your property tax money on a weekend getaway. The boundaries were supposed to be absolute, acting as psychological barriers against impulsive behavior. It was designed to be an automated discipline machine, protecting you from your own worst habits by keeping temptation safely locked behind different routing numbers. But the reality of moving money exposes the fatal flaw in this grand design. The friction of the automated clearinghouse network turns a simple transfer into a multi day ordeal of suspense. When you desperately need to cover an unexpected medical bill, your money is caught in digital transit, suspended in the void between institutions. This artificial delay forces you to rely on expensive credit, punishing you for the very system you thought would save you. Beyond the hidden fees and transfer delays lies a much darker psychological toll. The cognitive load required to maintain this sprawling empire is staggering. Your brain is forced to act as a human ledger, constantly calculating balances, remembering transfer dates, and monitoring minimum requirements across 15 different platforms. This mental exhaustion drains your energy, leaving you depleted and anxious every time you attempt to understand your own financial standing. This relentless decision fatigue inevitably breeds a dangerous paralysis. When checking your bank balance requires a spreadsheet and half an hour of forensic accounting, you simply stop looking. You begin to avoid your own financial reality, terrified of what you might find hidden in the tangled web of transactions. The system designed to give you perfect vision has effectively blinded you, creating massive dark spots where your money vanishes without a trace. Attempting to calculate your actual wealth in this environment becomes an exercise in futility. You must hunt down fragmented data points, piecing together a fractured picture of your assets and liabilities. By the time you compile the numbers from the last obscure savings app, the balances in your primary accounts have already shifted. You are chasing a ghost, forever operating on outdated information, unable to make critical decisions about your future. While you drown in this manufactured complexity, the banking industry quietly profits from your confusion. Every abandoned account, every stranded $50 balance represents a tiny victory for the institutions holding your money. They rely on your exhaustion. They know that the more places you store your wealth, the less likely you are to notice the subtle changes in their terms of service, the decreasing interest yields, or the introduction of new maintenance costs. The illusion of free banking shatters when you examine the fine print of a sprawling setup. Minimum balance requirements act as hidden tripwires across your financial landscape. A $12 fee here, a $15 penalty there, triggered simply because your attention slipped for a single billing cycle. These aren't massive, dramatic thefts. They are microscopic cuts, slowly bleeding your resources while you are distracted by the sheer volume of accounts you have to manage. Over a decade, the compounding effect of these micro losses transforms from a minor annoyance into a devastating financial wound. Thousands of dollars evaporate, swallowed by administrative fees and lost opportunity costs. Money that could have been growing, compounding, and building your independence is instead sacrificed to the friction of a bloated system. You are working harder than ever, yet your complex machinery is actively moving you backward. The chilling reality sets in on payday, a moment that should bring relief, but instead triggers a frantic, anxiety inducing ritual. You become a desperate dispatcher, frantically routing dollars to a dozen different destinations before the automatic withdrawals begin. One miscalculation, one delayed deposit, and the entire fragile ecosystem collapses into a cascade of insufficient funds notices. The joy of earning is entirely consumed by the terror of distribution. In your pursuit of absolute tracking, you have inadvertently created massive financial blind spots. When your wealth is scattered to the wind, it loses its collective power. You feel perpetually broke, scraping by in your primary checking account, completely forgetting the thousands of dollars languishing in a forgotten high yield savings account you opened 3 years ago. The fragmentation of your money has fractured your perception of reality. The ultimate tragic irony of this situation is inescapable. The intricate web you spun to escape financial anxiety has become the very cage that traps you in it. You are poorer not because you lack discipline and not because you lack income, but because you are suffocating under the weight of your own administrative burden. The pursuit of optimization has resulted in total systemic failure. Breaking free requires a ruthless, unflinching audit of your digital footprint. You must shine a harsh light into every forgotten corner of your financial life, cataloging every app, every login, and every dormant balance. It is a forensic examination of your own past decisions, demanding that you face the scattered remnants of your wealth. You must gather the evidence before you can begin to dismantle the trap. As the true scope of the sprawl is revealed, the sheer volume of wasted time becomes chillingly apparent. Hours spent resetting passwords, tracking micro deposits, and deciphering complex fee structures represent a massive theft of your life. Reclaiming this time is the first crucial victory. By simplifying the structure, you immediately recover the mental bandwidth needed to focus on actual wealth generation rather than mere wealth administration. The path out of the darkness lies in the strategic execution of banking consolidation. This is not a reckless abandonment of organization, but a deliberate, calculated retreat to defensible ground. It involves stripping away the redundant layers, closing the peripheral accounts, and centralizing your financial power into a tight, easily monitored core. It is the transition from a sprawling, chaotic empire to a fortified, impenetrable vault. The fear of consolidation stems from the false belief that simplicity equals vulnerability. You do not need 20 different accounts to protect yourself from disaster. The separation of funds does not create actual money, it only creates the illusion of a safety net. True security comes from deep, concentrated pools of resources that you can see, understand, and deploy at a moment's notice without waiting for the digital dust to settle. The solution demands a ruthless pursuit of the Goldilocks approach, finding the exact point where organization meets efficiency. You need a primary checking account for the flow of daily life, a singular high yield savings account for your emergency reserves, and a consolidated investment platform for your future. Three strong pillars. Anything more is likely a distraction, a leak in the hull of your financial ship that must be sealed. The immediate return of visibility is profound and deeply unsettling to those accustomed to the fog. Suddenly, net worth tracking is no longer a weekend long investigation. It is a single, clear number, visible at a glance. You can see the actual velocity of your money, watching it grow without the interference of a dozen different interfaces. The dark spots vanish, replaced by a stark, undeniable clarity. With the noise silenced, a quiet sense of control finally returns. The cognitive load lifts, freeing your mind from the endless, exhausting cycle of micromanagement. You are no longer a victim of your own complex architecture. You have seized the reins, dictating the flow of your wealth with absolute authority. The anxiety of payday is replaced by the calm, predictable execution of a streamlined system. Yet, the act of dismantling the old system often triggers a deep psychological resistance. Hovering your finger over the account closure button feels like destroying a piece of your financial safety net. The ghost of the old budgeting methodology whispers warnings, telling you that without those specific buckets, chaos will return. Overcoming this ingrained fear is the final, most difficult hurdle in the escape from account sprawl. You must sever the ties with cold, calculated precision. Transfer the stranded cash, cancel the automatic deposits, and permanently close the doors on the digital vaults that no longer serve you. Watch as the scattered fragments of your wealth merge into a powerful, unified force. Do not leave dormant accounts open out of nostalgia or vague anxieties. Close them and salt the earth behind them. In the quiet aftermath of consolidation, true financial independence is finally revealed. Your money is no longer scattered in the shadows, vulnerable to hidden fees and forgotten passwords. It stands united, visible, and ready to act on your command. By stripping away the complex illusions of optimization, you have stopped the silent drain on your life. You have transformed a chaotic, sprawling liability into a single, unstoppable engine of wealth.